Myntri ketanat ka koit khiah o James ki Sangma menta kasengi ule thu badon bun ki nongtrei ka koit khiah ki ba tre ban shim ya Tika COVID-19. Habo jubab ya jingkili balabu do dukot kaliang persya na kaseng ka All India Trinamool Congress uba Himalaya Shangpliang o James ki Sangma ule thu badon hado arajar sanspa sangut ki nongtrei ka koit khiah ki bampat shim ya Tika COVID-19.
Tika, sir. Reply to star question 3. A. Sir, the total number is 2,505, which is about 10% hesitancy rate. B. Sir, based on the study conducted by the Indian Institute of Public Health, IIPH, Shillong, there are various reasons for COVID vaccine hesitancy among the healthcare workers. C. So the total number of unvaccinated healthcare workers in government hospitals is 2,456. D. So the total number of unvaccinated healthcare workers in private hospitals is 49. E. So the government is making all-out efforts to conduct counseling and create awareness programs in this regard. This was a report via a study which was conducted among healthcare workers and the community. So I will just read out the reasons why people are hesitant to take the COVID-19 vaccine, sir. So one, some people are worried about the side effects after vaccination, and this is in descending order of priority, sir. Number two, sir, messages on social media that cause concern. Number three, sir, some of them have not yet decided which vaccine to take because there are many choices of different companies which are on offer. So number four, some of them feel that natural immunity is sufficient. Number five, sir, some of them are confused by different messages from different sources. Number six, sir, some feel they have developed immunity against the virus. Number seven, sir, some fear needles and the pain caused by needles. Number eight, some fear that the COVID-19 vaccine may affect future pregnancies. Number nine, so none of their friends or relatives have taken the vaccine, so they feel that they shouldn't also. Number 10, COVID-19 vaccines are not safe. Some people feel that it is not safe. Number 11, sir, family members sometimes advise them not to take the vaccine, so they go by that advice, sir. Number 12, COVID-19 vaccine causes infertility and impotence. That is felt by some of the people, and that's why they're hesitant to take the vaccine. Number 13, sir, they feel that COVID-19 infection is not serious, so vaccine is not important. And number 14, lastly, sir, influential leaders do not support the vaccine, thereby they feel the need for taking the vaccine does not arise, sir.